Hey guys, it's astrology here, and today I would like to talk about a topic that has been just a bit problematic here. So, as you know, I have a friend named Luna with 500 plus subscribers, and I can understand why she's so talented and stuff. But look, she has like a copycat who also said her name as Luna. And that Luna has been harassing people, not, no, like a bit of a tiny threat thing. Like, I said something to her and told her she cannot be doing this, especially without permission from Luna, my friend. And she answered with, I'm coming for you. Now, I don't know what she meant about that. It was kind of funny to me. But, anyways, she copied like all of my friend's OCs without permission, of course. She stole her boyfriend and claimed him as her own when Luna made him, and that means Luna's boyfriend is not the copycats like another person claimed to have Julian as her own. Like, I don't understand why people think it's fun and they're allowed to take things without permission. I myself personally think it's kind of rude to do that, and I will not support those people because, look, imagine you spend much time making your videos, your OCs, and drawing, getting ideas, and you're getting almost nothing because of that. And there jumps another person out of the blue, steals all your ideas, and then says you copied them. How would you feel about that? Like, some people just need to understand that. You can check the dates. My friend joined on 2024 and made her see the blue haired, well, Luna, right before, not right before, but before the copycat made hers. You can check the dates. Like I said, that happens with all the OCs. Now, look, if the copycats think that's alright to do, just remember my words, please. Here we have the account of the copycat. Well, and I'm just gonna show you the video that she apparently tried to threaten me. I'm gonna pause the video, like mute it, because I don't want to get copyright. And yeah, that's what I said to her. And I wrote a little something because I laughed so hard that day, anyways. And look, now, I don't know what she was thinking exactly at that time, but look, memorize. She joined 9 April 2025, okay? And she made her first video 9 April 2025 too, which added her C in the video too. Now let's just see her so-called boyfriend. He was made by her at April 9. Now let's just go check when Luna, my friend, did all this. She joined 24 May 2024. And she first added Julian in her videos on another day before the other one. She made her see March 21, 2025, which is about a month before the other Luna. And look, Julian was made by her on April 5, not 9, which has a difference, day difference. So, as you can see, she copied also this OC of hers. That OC was made April 8, 18, not 8. And then the other Luna made a very similar OC named Lena on April 21, which also has a difference. Yeah, I also wrote that. Okay, I admit that. So, as you can see, just please don't believe that this copycat is the real one. You can tell by the OC difference. She probably doesn't have much experience on Gacha Club and stuff, but please trust my friend. She's very talented, as I said. Go send her some love. Here you can see some date differences. Please, just listen to this. And I don't know what else to say, so I'm gonna speed up the video a little bit. So I just gathered as much proof as I found and could think of to prove that my friend is not lying. Please go support her. She needs all the love she needs to get. And that's all. Bye bye.